See that, Mikey?
Okay, easy.
Reel him in now. Reel him in.
God.
Come on, reel him in.
Bottom of your rod down.
Okay, wait, bottom down? Okay.
Bring him back so I can get him back. Easy, easy, easy. Don't move.
Oh my God, he's huge!
This one is probably close to 30 inches. Wait a second, I'll let you hold him and stuff. I'll get the hook out of him.
Oh my God. Wow.
Okay, hold this in your left hand.
Okay.
Hold this in your right.
Okay.
Hold it right up. It's heavy. Don't let go of it.
Eric.
It's really heavy.
Eric.